So this is the Snap and Read Chrome extension. This is something that the district has for us. It's great because it'll help you with reading. It can read words to you. It can you can add an overlay to it if you need to change the color of your screen. Really a lot of useful tools built into this one little Chrome extension. So to get it, I provided you the link. So you just copy and paste the link into, or just click on it. And it should bring you to this page. So we're going to click Get Snap and Read. So now it's bringing up our extension page, and we want to click Add to Chrome. So it's going to ask for these permissions, and we have to tell it yes, it needs those in order to do its job. It can't work without it. So now it's checking, and it has installed it up here for us. So we can click on this little puzzle piece. We can come down to the Snap and Read extension. We can pin to where it will always stay up here at the top. This might look a little different if you're on a Chromebook, but there should still be a process like this. So when you click on this little bullseye target, you're going to want to click this button that turns it on. And then you will probably need to sign in. So let me sign out so we can get the full effect here. So now we're kind of done with this page. It's already been installed. I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to click sign in or create an account. You guys probably want to create an account. You'll click create an account and you'll click create an account again. You'll want to create with Google. So you'll want to log in with your school Google email account. So create with Google. You'll pick your school email. It might ask for some permissions. And if so, you just tell it, okay. So now it wants to show you how it works. So let's go on this tutorial. Show it how it works. So right now it's showing us the first part of it is speak. So we want to click the Snap and Read, and we want to turn it on. So that brings up our toolbar over here. So we're going to click speak. So you click the speaker button and then click where you want to start speaking or highlight text you want spoken and click. So for example, I want it to read me this sentence. I highlight it and I click speak. I highlight it and I click speak. So for us, what we want to do is we want to highlight the text first and then click the speaker button. So we're going to click next. So the next part is the screenshot reader. So this will read whatever is included in this square that we draw on the screen. So here, I can draw a box just right over this. It's going to take a little bit to think. And then when I want that to go away, I just click this little X. Our next step will simplify the vocabulary for us. I don't know if this is going to show up very well in this step, but if we highlight it and then we click this little square to circle, it's going to try to take a minute and it's going to change some of the text. So here, when it changes a word, it's going to change it to italics. So it changed this to very hard right here. If you want to undo it, you just click that button and it goes back. So it changed difficult to very hard. Okay, so these are your settings options. You can change the highlight color, what you want to highlight text. You can change the voice, so how loud, how soft, how quickly it reads. You can slow it down. You can change the pitch. You can change the effects for simplifying words. You can add a color overlay. You can add a reading line guide. So lots of different information, lots of different things you can control the settings of. So you can get to the settings menu by clicking on your toolbar. So if you see it, it's kind of hiding over here. The first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to expand it. We're going to come up here and we're going to click on the three little dots. We're going to click on options, and that brings us to our page that has all of our options.